During R&D conference, we've got also guests from abroad, from Spain. Today, Julian is with me.
Hello.
Hello. Julian is representing Arduino Inc. And Julian, what is Arduino Pro?
So yeah, the origin of Arduino, it started as an open source project. We have a huge community of people creating different open source projects across the world. But at some point, we realized that professionals were starting to use also the Arduino products, the Arduino boards. And therefore, we decided to create some years ago the family of Arduino Pro products. They are fully certified, they are prepared for the industry, and of course, they are designed for the professionals out there. So for the last years, we have been releasing different Arduino Pro families, and a lot of clients are using the Arduino Pro family out there.
Okay. What is the favorite of projects used Arduino in?
Yeah, well, there are a lot of projects because the Arduino movement and the maker do-it-yourself movement in the professional environment is huge. So one of the things that we are really proud is the community of professionals, but also makers and educators across the world. So there are a lot of projects. Some of my favorite projects are when you take an old machine and you decide to convert it into a smart machine, which is something that some of our clients is doing like a lot. We have the typical gas pumping oil things that were too old and they would like it to have it connected to their own system. So they're using our platform, Arduino Cloud, to do that. And in a couple of minutes, maybe 20 minutes, they have a online dashboard. They can control the whole thing. They can monitor the whole thing and integrate it with the rest of the factory. So these kind of projects to me are amazing because we are reusing old technology and we are making it smart.
Okay. Why that Arduino is in open hardware and open source? Why is it so important for users?
It is important because no matter what happened from a business point of view to companies like Arduino or another users and final clients always have full control. So let's imagine that, tomorrow Arduino is no longer available as a business. Users can still use the whole libraries, can still use the whole firmware, they can improve it, take the hardware and create their own versions with the license, the open source license. So it means like no matter what is going to happen in the future from a company point of view, users can still use their technology and can use their own solution for years, decades, whatever.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
A pleasure. Thanks.